All right, y'all, we are in Sulphur, Oklahoma. About to pick up, I think it's some type of medical device. About to pick that up. They requested that we have pads. So like I told y'all before, we started off moving furniture. We work for a furniture company. So we got all the pads and all the things that we need if we ever have to, if a route ever requires padding, straps, and dollies, 4-ways, and all that. We got everything we need. So
don't hurt to have extra pads.
For sure. So they requested these pads. We got the pads, we got the straps, and we're gonna get this thing loaded up and we're gonna head back. This is a little small town in Oklahoma. We are at the Memorial Hospital. Is it a way to lock it? All right, y'all, this is the piece we're picking up. I'm gonna get it padded up. You want the bands now?
No, I'll get the wrap.
You gonna wrap it? Alright, he gonna saran wrap this with the plastic wrap. Guess I should say. Make sure it's secured. Cause I'm pretty sure this is a pretty expensive piece of equipment. It's like when that wheel turns. Goodness. Should you face the screen the other way?
Yeah, probably so. Yeah, that'll work.
All right, y'all, we got the package secured, got it strapped, padded, and wrapped. Now we are headed back to Dallas, and after we make this drop off, we got another pickup. All right. All right, guys, we are all loaded up, about to head back to the Triple D, the Big D, whatever y'all want to call it. So we probably got, I say, an hour and 30 minutes to the drop off location, and we gonna tune back in. See y'all in Texas. made it to the drop-off location. We're about to unload the medical device. He's gonna put the dock plate down. Alright, we're gonna roll this thing off. Alright, y'all, we are headed to Dallas for our second pickup of the day. We already sitting at, today gonna be $1,000 day, y'all. And it's just, we're definitely blessed for these opportunities that we've been having. We've been having some really good weeks. Every week will not be the same. So when you do have a good week and you see these loads coming, go and run it up and do those routes back to back. If you have to do 5 routes a day, do it, because you never know what tomorrow or the next week will bring. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to the pickup location. We're picking up in Dallas and we're dropping off in Fort Worth. LGCNS America. Well, I guess that was it back
Cause
then.
all these different addresses.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is definitely not what we expected. I really couldn't record everything that we needed because I had to mark off POs and make sure we got the right items and everything. We usually definitely don't like to really do routes like this, but we're gonna do it because we're already here. This is appliances, refrigerators, washers, and I believe TVs. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do it since we're here, but definitely not what we expected. So we want to show y'all what can potentially happen when you get to these pickup locations. It could be, you see, it's no pallet in sight. So this is something that's like a home delivery almost, but we're dropping it off at a warehouse, so hopefully we won't have any issues. But we will get back with y'all when we get to the warehouse. All right, y'all, we headed to Fort Worth. Now that right there, that was some bull, really. That was some bull. But we go ahead and do it. We're gonna go ahead and do it, knock it out, and get through the day. But
Stay positive.
stay positive.
You know, at least we got a job. At least we got a route. That's how you gotta think about it.
Yeah, you got it route. You know what I'm saying? Like Nate always said, you gotta do the dirty work, and that was some dirty work.
Yeah, that was dirty right there.
Yeah, but we finna drop it off now. We did request driver assist, so we gonna need an extra 150 for sure. So whenever you have to get on these trucks, if you get to a route, you not expecting like, you know, having to touch the brake, especially some appliances and stuff like that, always ask for driver assist. Always ask for driver assist because
Sometimes the broker don't know exactly what it is. They don't know if it's on pallets or not. They usually go by, you know, piece counts or pallets. You know, they don't know what exactly it is.
until you really get there.
Yeah, so you gotta be the voice and be like, okay, well, this is this and this is that. So, do you want us to take it, or kind of just make an agreement with them, like this is how much you're gonna pay us, or you know, let's work something out. You know, just don't do it just to be doing it.
Yeah, I always ask more when it's something like that. We That's what we do. So they're gonna send us an updated rate con. All right, y'all, we here at the drop-off location. Nay is over there trying to get checked in. I guess they're assigning us a dock door, so hopefully it doesn't take long. I'm not sure how they gonna try to get this off, if we gonna have to come in and take it off, because like I said, this stuff is not pelletized. So I'm not sure what's gonna go on here, but I'll let y'all know. Okay, y'all, we are unloaded and headed back to the yard. So we got to the delivery location. We didn't have to touch anything. They unloaded everything, which is a plus. So we did have to put the stuff on, but we did not have to take it off. Thankfully, my husband used to work in the furniture business. He knows how to tie some stuff down and load the truck up right. So that was a good thing for him to, you know, have that experience. You always want to get in, because you never know what you're going to have to do. So I always try to get you some practice on like tying things down, making a good knot so things will not come loose. But other than that, y'all, we're done for the day. We had a great day. We have worked pretty long though. We have worked probably, I would say, what time we started? About 8:30?
Yeah.
Started about 8:30 and it is 4:30, so we done worked our 8 hours. But hey, we'll rather work 8 hours for ourselves than somebody else.
Yeah.
So today was a good day. It was a $1,000 day. And we're going to show y'all again tomorrow what we going to do. But other than that, y'all, we out. Peace and love.
Keep on trucking.